The world is about to be shaken by the incredible inventions we're about to reveal. If you're skeptical, stick around. The final one is especially fascinating. We begin with this marvel of robotic creation, developed by a team of researchers who have created an innovative series of robotic swarms inspired by the fascinating mobility of snails. At first glance, these robots may seem slow, but don't be fooled. Their meticulous design offers exceptional capabilities that go far beyond their leisurely pace. Designed with a surprising combination of suction, a cup, and two magnets, these robots demonstrate a level of versatility and functionality that will change the way we think about robotics. Imagine a swarm of robotic snails capable of joining together to form complex and functional structures. From building bridges to facilitate the passage of larger robots to constructing robotic arms, these units are equipped to tackle large-scale challenges. But if you thought that was impressive, listen up. Not only does this technology promise advancements in the field of robotics, but it could also be an invaluable resource for rescue teams in critical situations. Its ability to form useful structures and adapt to different environments opens up new possibilities for designing solutions for emergencies and complex situations. This invention is just the tip of the iceberg. What comes next are mind-blowing discoveries that will change the game. Attention, cities of the future. The revolution in urban cleaning has arrived with the Solar Umber 4000, an innovative robotic street sweeper that is changing the landscape of street cleaning. Developed by the Solar Freedom team, this technological giant has proven to be a true marvel on the streets of Austin, Texas, where it collected over 91 kilograms of trash in just one day. The Solar Umber 4000 is no ordinary vacuum cleaner. It's a masterpiece of engineering powered by solar energy. With an impressive diameter of 2 meters and requiring 600 watts of solar panels to operate, this machine moves at a speed of 19 kilometers per hour. What about the capacity? Well, it can hold up to 50 kilograms of garbage, and it can handle large amounts of waste to keep the streets clean and litter-free. If you're thinking of bringing this marvel to your city, you might want to keep your plans under wraps. Traditional street sweepers may be a little nervous about the arrival of this revolutionary assistant. The future is here, and it's bright, clean, and solar-powered. Impressed by what you just saw? Get ready, because the next advancement is a revolutionary invention that will leave you speechless. Discover the power of nature with the innovative Archimedes wave swing. This wave swing is not just a device. It's a marine power plant anchored to the ocean floor, designed to convert the inexorable rhythm of the waves into clean and sustainable energy. The Archimedes wave swing combines ingenuity with cutting-edge technology. It works by harnessing the pressure that builds up as waves push the moving section downward. This pressure drives the section upward, repeating the cycle and converting wave energy into rotational motion and ultimately electricity. It's amazing, but in tests, it's proven to be highly effective, producing an average of 10 kilowatts with peaks of up to 80 kilowatts. The manufacturer plans to increase its capacity to 500 kilowatts in the future. The Archimedes wave swing operates at depths of 25 meters or more and takes about 12 hours to be ready after leaving port. Imagine a future where the ocean is a constant source of energy. With the Archimedes wave swing, that future is getting closer. Wave energy has arrived to change the way we power the world. What you've just discovered is amazing, but what's next will take you to amazing levels of innovation. At the fascinating intersection of politics and technology, the surprises keep coming. Kristi Noem, the first governor of South Dakota, has shown exceptional skill in handling political challenges, and her bold Christmas gift is no exception: a Pulsefire elf flamethrower. Yes, you heard that right. And believe it or not, instead of opting for a conventional gift, Kristi Noem received a Pulsefire elf flamethrower, a device that is as impressive as it is functional. This flamethrower, which has gone viral on social media, combines lightness with power. But that's not all. Listen up. Weighing only 2.7 kilograms, it is easy to handle, but its ability to shoot flames up to 7.6 meters makes it an outstanding tool for burning piles of boxes or controlling weeds. Priced at $630, the Pulsefire L offers a unique blend of power and portability. It's an intriguing way to stand out and a practical solution for outdoor tasks. It's definitely a fiery way to make a difference in any situation. This is just a glimpse of the amazing inventions of the future. What's next is something that'll defy all expectations and leave you speechless. Say goodbye to manually cleaning your motorcycle visor in the rain with the innovative Biker Guard windshield wiper, designed specifically for motorcyclists. Inspired by car windshield wipers, the Biker Guard turns a chore into a hassle-free experience. At $345, the Bike Guard may seem like a substantial investment, but its advanced technology justifies the cost. Equipped with a highly reliable brushless motor, it outperforms the generic models available. The effectiveness and durability of the Biker Guard have been confirmed by the Elia racing team, which was impressed by its performance. This'll fascinate you. This wiper is built to withstand the elements, ensuring optimal performance in any weather. Its battery lasts up to 15 hours on a full charge, ensuring your visor stays clean during long rides. It also comes with a 3-year warranty, reflecting the manufacturer's commitment to quality. The Biker Guard is more than a wiper, it's a revolution for your riding experience. Get ready to ride with a clear and unobstructed view like never before. If you thought that was amazing, what follows is a futuristic breakthrough that'll make you question everything you know. The Photokite Sigma is designed to provide unprecedented visibility for surveillance and rescue operations. Anchored to a specific location with a tether and power cable, it provides stability and precision. Capable of rising up to 45 meters and staying aloft for up to 24 hours, it is an essential tool for rescuers, firefighters, police officers, and other professionals who need continuous and effective surveillance. Its ease of use is remarkable. It's hard to believe, but listen carefully. It can be launched and landed with the push of a button, requiring no advanced technical knowledge. The intuitive design allows for quick and efficient operation in critical situations. Equipped with advanced software, the Sigma enables real-time data visualization on a portable tablet or smartphone, providing instant access to critical information. Images captured by its thermal and conventional cameras can be streamed to up to 20 devices simultaneously, providing extensive and detailed coverage. With a 16 times hybrid zoom, the Sigma allows for impressively clear observations. The Photokite Sigma takes surveillance and response to a new level of precision and effectiveness. We've only scratched the surface. The next invention is an extraordinary discovery that'll change the way you see the world. Although Paris has banned the rental of electric scooters, mobility enthusiasts don't have to give up their passion. The InMotion E20 is the perfect alternative for those who want to continue enjoying personal electric transportation. This innovative electric unicycle features a powerful 900-watt motor that allows it to reach speeds of up to 20 kilometers per hour and cover distances of up to 30 kilometers on a single charge. Whether navigating the city or exploring the park, the InMotion E20 offers solid and reliable performance. Most impressive of all, the InMotion E20 comes with built-in Bluetooth speakers, so you can enjoy your favorite music while you ride. Priced at just $400, it is the most affordable model in the manufacturer's lineup, offering quality and technology without breaking the bank. Don't miss the chance to ride with style and functionality. With the InMotion E20, the future of electric mobility is within your reach, providing a dynamic and entertaining experience every time you drive. What you've just seen is just a teaser. The next invention will challenge the norms and amaze you. Designed to clean and preserve the beauty of our waters, these floating islands are an innovative environmental solution that also elegantly improves water quality. The floating island concept is simple but effective. They consist of a polymer matrix with vegetation planted on top. These islands act as natural filters, removing ammonia and phosphates from the water, and often become bird habitats, creating a vibrant and balanced ecosystem. One of the key players on these islands is vetiver, a plant known for its impressive roots that can reach up to 4 meters deep, which will astonish you and might leave you at a loss for words. In West Africa, vetiver is traditionally used in water containers to prevent bacterial growth, demonstrating its effectiveness in maintaining a healthy aquatic environment. Artificial floating islands not only provide a practical and aesthetic solution for water purification, but also promote biodiversity and the protection of natural habitats. This is just the beginning. Get ready to witness unconventional inventions that'll leave you completely amazed. Welcome to the future of materials with the Cititech self-healing polymer. While the T1000 from Terminator 2 impressed with its liquid metal in 1991, we are now in a new era of technological advancements that surpass those cinematic projections. Researchers at CID have developed a breakthrough polymer that redefines the concepts of durability and self-repair. This self-healing polymer behaves remarkably similar to the liquid metal of the T1000, but with even more advanced technology. Even if you can't believe it, when the material is cut or damaged, simply bringing the damaged pieces together allows the polymer to effectively fuse to approximately 97% in just 2 hours. This process not only restores the integrity of the material, but also keeps it strong and flexible, providing a durable and adaptable solution for a variety of applications. Imagine a future where objects and surfaces repair themselves almost magically, reducing the need for frequent replacement and maintenance. With this Cititech self-healing polymer, the future is within reach and offers a significant advancement in material technology. Get ready to experience unprecedented durability and innovative flexibility that'll take your products and projects to a new level of strength and longevity. Sorry, we are done. But if you like this video, leave a like and subscribe to the channel.